start from body measurement. So our body measurement start from part 1 start from ground, and part 2 start from the length, part 3 start from the shoulder to the sleeve. So starting from when you want to take a measurement, you start from bust. Starting from bust. When you are measuring, you have to make sure your tape is equal with the bust point. Don't allow your tape to be down low. Your tape must be exactly where your bra shows. So you take your measurement like this. This is your bust point. From there you come down to round under bust. After round under bust, upper waist. Round upper waist. To get the upper waist is in between your under bust and your half length. You cannot measure your upper waist anyhow, so you have to look in between your under bust and your upper waist. So this is where your round upper waist measurement will be. After you take the waist, your waist is on your navel, the waist measurement. From then, it depends on how you will sew. If you are sewing fitted blouse, you need to measure your upper hip measurement. If you are sewing fitted blouse, you will take your upper hip measurement. After upper hip measurement, you measure hip. As you are measuring your hip, you will go up and down because some people have big butts while they don't have lap. While some people have laps, they don't have big butt, they don't have butts. So you need to go up and you come down a little. So that's the part 1 of body measurement. Don't forget, as you are measuring the bust, don't forget the nipple to nipple. You have to gauge it too. You can be measuring it that way if your clients allow you to be putting your table like this. So the part 2 is the length part. If you are taking your length, any measurement that comes straight, you need to take it at the same time. So now we have shoulder to nipple points, shoulder to under bust, shoulder to upper waist. You look at in between the under bust and navel. So you measure your upper waist. You share your under bust and your shoulder measurement into 2 to get the upper waist length. This is shoulder to upper waist length, shoulder to upper hip, and shoulder to your hip point. You need to measure. It's very important. If you are sewing, let's say you are sewing fitted down, you need your shoulder to upper hip, shoulder to hip point. From there you measure the length, knee length. Your knee length will be exactly the middle of your what they call it, your knee. After knee, you get your full length. That is the part 2. From shoulder point to shoulder point. For example, if you cannot be able to get the shoulder point to shoulder point, you can be using the middle part of the body. So you put your table at the middle part, you take your shoulder back. So when you finish it, you will now times it 2 to get exactly your shoulder point. So when you are getting your shoulder, you have to make sure your shoulder point must not be the down, must be the, when you touch your bone, you will see exactly where your bone, your shoulder bone is. So that is where your shoulder will start, will stop. After that, you measure the length of the sleeve. Any part of length you want, you measure. Short, normal sleeve length, 3/4 and the full length. You take it. Sleeve. We have upper and sleeve because our arms are not equal. We have bigger parts, we have smaller parts. So you measure upper and sleeve, you come to the low. When your sleeve stops, you measure that one. Every area that you want your sleeve to stop, you measure it, you measure round sleeve, long sleeve, and sleeve. After you measure the round armhole. When you are measuring your round armhole, you don't have to make it tight. You release your tape so that when you finish, the person will not, it will not tight on the person. So this is it. Like this person now is using 16. That's the body measurement for today. Thank you. God bless you as you learn.